When you're making an outdoor space more comfortable, selecting the proper Infratech controls can help you maximize comfort, customize convenience, and optimize energy efficiency from your Infratech electric heating system. Our many control options are designed specifically to complement Infratech heaters. They range from simple on-off switches and cost-effective value controls to comprehensive smart home integration that can accommodate any setting, space, or budget. Infratech has a proven track record when it comes to the engineering, design, and manufacturing required to create standard and custom control packages of outstanding quality. Our variety of controls are one of many features that make Infratech a partner of choice among leading architects, designers, premium home builders, and engineers. Whether you're heating a small, intimate patio or a large commercial outdoor area, Infratech electric control systems can bring comfort and convenience to any space. Now let's review the many Infratech control options available. Infratech offers an assortment of value control assemblies to help you enjoy efficient ease of use that's compatible with any budget. All control assemblies are available in different configurations, including in-wall or surface mount options, with and without weatherproof covers. Infratech's convenient, simple on-off switch assemblies are ideal for use with our single-element heaters. The on-off switch is the lowest cost control option. It offers easy use and straightforward installation. Choose our popular duplex stack switches for a value-focused, user-friendly control that's compatible with all of our WD series dual-element heaters. This option enables you to turn each element on and off independently, effectively providing half-power, full-power capabilities. Infratech's INF input regulators are designed to work with our single-element heaters. The INF automatically and gently cycles heat on and off at regular intervals to seamlessly maintain the desired temperature when it's not on full power. The INF input regulators are limited for use on heaters up to a maximum of 3,000 watts or 15 amps. Our solid-state relay control packages offer zone heating capabilities, which allow users to control the intensity of one or more heaters with a single touch. The solid-state relay control package consists of a surface mount relay panel and a zone analog controller or controllers, which are offered with or without a digital timer. Both the relay panel and the analog controller work in conjunction with one another, giving you the ability to control one or more heaters at a time, set up multiple zones, and enjoy the convenience of adjusting the intensity of heat output. Each Infratech solid-state control package is built specific to your project standards and is accompanied by electrical wiring diagrams for the licensed electrician to review and install. All control packages are UL/CUL listed and are engineered for your individual project and suitable for commercial or residential installations of any size. In addition, each Infratech control panel is assigned a UL/CUL number and tested before leaving our factory. At Infratech, our products reflect the latest advances in industry trends and technological innovation. As the smart home trend increases in popularity, we are the only outdoor heating provider that gives home and property owners the ability to integrate our heaters with their smart home management systems. Our home management system is compatible with top-selling systems like Lutron, Crestron, Control4, and others. The home management interface will require a 0 to 10 volt DC input for streamlined integration and control. By opting for smart home integration, you can choose from a range of programming options through your home management system, including the ability to save preferred heat settings for off-site control via mobile device, and the convenience of control without leaving your seat. Now that we've taken you through all of the different Infratech control options, you're ready to choose the package that's right for your heating system. We recommend you start by considering the number and type of heaters you will be installing and the configuration of your space.